Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my everyday makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. I'm going to refresh my skin using the Donginbi Red Ginseng Moisture and Balancing Mist. Now I'm going to apply my Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. This is going to be my primer for my makeup, giving me some glowy skin and healthy looking skin. So for coverage today, I'm going to be using concealer and no foundation. That's just what I like to do on an everyday basis if I wear makeup and I just want something minimal. I'm going to be using these two concealers. This one's Kosas Revealer Concealer, shade 3.5. This one is the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, shade Vanilla. So with my Donginbi Mist, I'm going to mist my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge and blend my concealer. So I'm going to set my concealer using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder in shade 2 Medium. And I'm going to use my Sigma Tapered Face Brush, the F25. Just slightly tap the powder on my brush. And then set the under eyes. And then whatever product I have left, I will pat around the face. Now I'm going to add some color to my face. This is the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalk'r Instant Warm Bronzer in the shade Private Island. Super cute. I'm going to use my Sigma F27 Iconic Bronze Brush in collaboration with Roxette Arisa to just bronze the face a little bit, add some color and dimension. With my E35 tapered blending brush from Sigma, I'm going to apply the bronzer to the nose area. For blush, I'm going to apply my M Cosmetics Heaven's Glow Magic Hour blush. Super cute. And I'm going to use my Sigma Beauty F15 Dual Fiber Powder Blush Brush to apply it. Hit a little bit on the nose and chin and forehead. Next, I'm going to apply some highlight. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter. This is in the shade Champagne Pop. And I'm going to use my Sigma X Roxette Arisa F42 Strobing Fan brush to apply this. This is the MAC Lip Pencil in Strip Down. So I got these two lipsticks during Black Friday sales. I think MAC was doing 40% off. This is the Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Colors, and this one is Over the Taupe, and this one is Make Love to the Camera, which is supposed to be Lisa from Blackpink's go-to shade, or at least one of them. So first I'm going to apply Over the Taupe, and then I'm going to pat in Make Love to the Camera on the inner portion of the lips. This is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I'm just gonna apply a little bit to like the tail ends and then slightly blend it forward. This is what I do if I want a little bit more brow, but not too much. So first I'm going to brush out my brow hairs, and this is in the shade 6. So this product makes eye makeup super easy and I've been really liking it. It was gifted to me by Becca, so thanks Becca. This is their Light Gleam Primer and Topper Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Golden Hour. And it's actually more of a like cool toned color. You would think Golden Hour would be like warm tone, but it's definitely not. But I've been really liking it. It's like a very cool tone brown taupe color. And it's just been looking really good on me. So I like wearing this as like an everyday eyeshadow look that's super easy, one and done. So I like to take off the excess product by just kind of scraping the sides and then applying it so it doesn't like apply all goopy and clumpy. And then I will blend it out with my Sigma blending brush, the E25. I do the other side. So again, scrape off any excess product and then apply this onto my lid. I'm going to apply a little bit on the lower lash line area. So that was the primer base side, and now I'm going to go in with the topper side, which is the shimmery shade, which I just love. So again, scrape off any excess product, and I'm just going to apply that to the middle portion of my lid, just like so. Just adds a little bit of something without making it too crazy and dramatic. Super easy, but looks really good. This is definitely not your like I'm going out kind of liquid eyeshadow, but I really love it as like an everyday kind of thing. It adds a little bit of glam, but it's just a healthy kind of look, and I'm just all for that. Then I'm going to apply a little bit to the lower lash line, just kind of on the inner portion right here. For eyeliner, I've been using this. This is actually discontinued, so sorry for showing it, but I really love this. This is the Sigma Beauty Dark Brow Powder, and they do have a duo that I think replaced this. So I need to try that because this one is discontinued. But this I've been really liking. I like using this dark shade here. So any like dark brown black will work for this. And I'm going to tap off any excess and just create a small little tail. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. This is the NARS Climax Extreme Mascara. And I'll apply this to my upper and lower lashes. So I usually stop here if I'm just staying home and doing my makeup, but I'm going to take it one step further and apply some lashes. These are the wispy lashes. I'm going to use these today, but I've been using my Queen Bee lashes when I wear lashes. They're just super easy, but this one is a brand new pack. I can't find the one that I've been using. I've looked everywhere, and you know when products or things that you need are, you know, always there and you can always see it, then all of a sudden when you need it, they disappear. That happened with my Queen Bees, so I'm not going to use the new Queen Bees. I'm just going to apply some wispy lashes from Ardell using my House of Lashes eyelash adhesive to apply it. So here's the final look. It was super easy to achieve, and I feel like it just feels so lightweight. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on, but I look so put together, and this has just been my go-to look. I don't wear makeup every day. I really don't. I just stay home, distance learning, as well as working from home. But I do like to get ready sometimes in the morning. It puts me in a better mood. It makes me more productive. So I hope that you give this look a try. You can always mix with products that you already have to create a look like this. So I'd love to see your looks. If you do recreate any of my looks, make sure to tag me on Instagram at PadeeTinaKong. I'd love to see your looks. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching and you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you would like to see next. I have some skincare and makeup videos coming soon. I hope to see you in my next video, and as always, have a beautiful Padeeful day. Bye!